You're trying everything that you can. You're working so hard on your Facebook ads, but it's still not working. Why is that? Hey, what's going on, guys? Shri Kanase here, and today we're going to be talking about a few reasons why exactly your Facebook ads aren't working. So like always, if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. We're growing extremely fast and I'm providing quality content basically every other day. And also be sure to join my Facebook group. It's completely free and has over 100 entrepreneurs in it who are willing to help you with your struggles. And it is also the easiest way to contact me, because if you post your question in the group, I'll be able to get to you within 24 hours. So the link is down in the description below. Be sure to join the group. And let's jump right into this video. So in this video, we're going to be outlining 3 main things why your Facebook ads aren't working at all, even though you're trying everything that you can. And over time, I've noticed that these 3 specific things are some of the main reasons why a lot of people fail with their Facebook ads and end up closing their stores. And of course, since you guys follow me, I'll be making sure that you guys know exactly what these things are, so that not only do you not close your store, but you also get success with Facebook ads. So the very first thing on our list is wrong event optimized. Basically, this is when you're optimizing for a specific event when creating the campaign, such as video views, post engagement, traffic, etc. A lot of the people are currently in 2018 optimizing for post engagement or video views or anything else except purchase conversions. Guys, none of these are going to pay your bills. Sure, you'll get a few thousand likes on your post and even 1,000 comments, but if there are 0 purchases, you basically just lost all of that money. And this is why you always optimize for conversions, no matter what the situation is, no matter if you started last night or if you're about to start. You have to always optimize for conversions. It does not matter how much data your pixel has at all. This is a big misconception I see among a lot of the beginner dropshippers, is that they think since they don't have enough data, they should not be optimizing for purchase. You should always optimize for purchase, because Facebook is more inclined to show your ads to those who are willing to purchase products or have a history of purchasing on Facebook. And this is exactly how I took my newest general store from $0 to $1,000 in less than a week, because I was consistently optimizing for purchase and also consistently testing products. But this is the first reason why you're probably not doing so well, is because you're optimizing for everything else except conversions. Be sure to optimize for conversions from now on all of your campaigns. The second reason why your Facebook ads may be failing is ad creative not relating to the audience. And I have a good example here. So as you can see, if your audience is, say, a bunch of old ladies, if you write something like, dude, this is the best thing for you, it would definitely not work, because again, this is for old ladies. You have to match their thinking. You have to match the kinds of things they would want to see. Now, you don't necessarily have to be old to know what kind of things match theirs, but you want to basically put yourself in your audience's shoes and think like them. What kind of words would they like in their ad creative when they're reading the ads? For example, I did a fishing example in one of my past videos. So for a fisher, the person would be more inclined to read the ad creative and even click on the link if they see a lot of the words such as fishing or something related to fishing, a fishing product. So this is why you have to make sure your ad creative matches your audience as much as it can. And if you're targeting general accessories like kitchen accessories or bathroom accessories for 18 to 65 plus, you want to include more statements about the item itself instead of trying to resonate with the customers. And if you want a more in-depth video on this, just watch my video on creating Facebook ad posts for more info on this. I go really in depth in this, but for this tutorial, you have to focus on making ad creatives that relate to the audience. And this is also why, even though a product may be good, it won't sell, because the ad creative doesn't really relate to the audience and they're not really sure why they should even purchase with the product. So this is the second reason on our list. Make sure the ad creatives are relating to the audience. And the third and final reason on our list is bad targeting. And targeting is the meat of the sandwich. No matter how good of a product you have, or no matter what kind of crazy ad creative you have and the offer that you have, if you do not target the right people, your ad will fail. And this is where a lot of the dropshippers go wrong. They have the best creatives. They spend a lot of time trying to make the description as good as it can be. They spend a lot of time trying to make the best ad creatives and trying to find the best pictures, but their targeting is completely off, and Facebook decides to show their ads to the wrong people who are not interested in the products. You have to make sure that you're targeting the correct audience, and this is where the 10 to 20 ads has come into play, because we're not targeting one audience, we're targeting 10 to 20. And I go in depth in the targeting as well in my FB ads series videos, which you can find on my channel. Just click on the link down below and to go to my channel. But you have to make sure that you're targeting the right people. So these were 3 quick reasons why your Facebook ads may be failing. You want to reevaluate your ads and see if any of these things apply to you. And if they do, you want to get them solved as soon as possible, because you're leaving a lot of money on the table. No matter what anyone says, dropshipping is the best business right now online if you want to make a lot of money, but you have to treat it as a business and you have to work hard. I'll be starting a series where I build a store from scratch, and if you guys are interested in such a series, let me know down in the comment section below, because that lets me know that I should be making this series. Have fun dropshipping and see you next time.